All right, mate. Let's have a look here. BNB. Now, I made a video on BNB the other day, saying that I think it's going to have a very, very good year next year. I think it's going $50 and then on to $100 at some point. Is it a good buy in a new 2 week candle? Yesterday it bounced 7 or 8%. A very powerful move actually. 10% actually at the highs and closed out about 7% up. Powerful. I think I posted as well some sort of pattern like this. A bit of a bullish ascending triangle in a way. It's not very clean, to be honest. Maybe I should move that down there. I don't know. It's not very clean, but you can kind of see what we're getting at here. So if it's a bullish ascending triangle, the new 2 week candle, can actually start moving higher like this. I mean, we're moving up into it in this BART pattern back up. We're rounding back up into the top. So, in theory, some consolidation here might actually want to break higher. It's a very, very nice reaction here on this. I talked about it in the past, in that last video I made. We do have something like this. And is this breaking out right now? It is possible. The large cup, and maybe, you could actually, as I did yesterday, this could be some sort of a handle and price might actually want to break up. This rounding pattern is extremely bullish. A rounding pattern is very, very bullish. I mean, if I flip this to the upside, you would look at this and you would just say to yourself, this is going to go lower. Okay, so do you remember when I posted about Bitcoin in here that this is when we were going to go parabolic, and this is part of the reason why one of the part of the analysis I thought Bitcoin was going to go parabolic was because of the structure, because of this structure, and because this bounce to me was going to fail because the bounce was coming in here into resistance, right in here, and the bounce was going to fail in my eyes, and we were going to roll back up. And if we break this trend line on a rounding pattern above all moving averages, well, below all the moving averages on inverse, this is potential to move into parabolic state. And that's exactly what happened. BNB is the exact same here. BNB is forming a very similar pattern to this. And in theory, BNB should go parabolic and start moving hard in this direction. If I flip it back to the upside, you can kind of get a bit of the view of what I'm looking at. So I think it's bullish now on a new candle. If it's green, yes, buy. And I also think a new yearly candle is a great buy.